ENQUIRY video editor, there are 3 websites that can make your work much easier and faster. This website help you find free videos, editing resources, music templates and creative tools for your project. First is Pixels. This website gives you free high quality stock videos and photos. You can download clips for YouTube videos, reels, short or a client project without paying. It is perfect for beginner and professional editor who need extra footage quickly. Second is Happy Editing. This website provides useful editing assets, transition, present, overlay, and creative tool that can improve your videos. Many editors use it to save time, make videos look more professional. Third is Envato Elements. This is one of the most popular websites for video editor. It offers premium templates, sound effect, music, footage, graphics, and video assist. You can find almost everything needed for content creation in one place. This 3 websites can help any video editor create better videos faster, whether you help editing for YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or professional clients. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.